And I met another fella through the Jewish Community Center. He was a French-Canadian Catholic who was in the camp, and he had taken pictures of this Camp Dora in Nordhausen. And we went around for about 17 years, and we'd show the kids, and our main theme is not just to show the Holocaust, but why the Holocaust occurred, hate. And our theme was to eliminate hate. And Donald and myself both, and we'd tell the kids, here he's Catholic and I'm Jewish, and we became close like brothers, you know, that it doesn't make any difference. If you're a human being, you either like or dislike somebody, but you don't hate anybody. And that was the theme, you know, because I learned that.